How would you like to learn how to make between $25,000 to $40,000 a month in the busy months doing pressure washing and window cleaning in your business? Okay, that's a good way to start this video. I'm right now here. I'm with D.j Carroll, and
that's a attention grabber.
He's DJ Coach Carroll. You've seen DJ in my videos. He's a speaker. The guy's a successful dude. And right now you're wearing an Easy Pro shirt. What is your business? What do you do to afford living in this penthouse suite apartment on the 25th floor in a frickin', is this a skyscraper in Louisville, Kentucky?
It's a skyscraper.
I mean, look at this dude's apartment. You live here with your fiance or whatever, and you're doing $25,000 to $40,000 a month.
Yes.
Okay, and you can afford this lifestyle, and having a window cleaning pressure washing business is also afforded you to buy real estate and all types of stuff.
Yes.
From doing fricking window cleaning and pressure washing?
Spraying water.
From spraying water.
Yeah, man. That and selling drugs. No, I'm just joking. I don't sell drugs.
Okay, so how many people are on your team in your...
Two office people, and I do some of the work, and we sub some of the work out.
And you're manifesting that amount of income per month. And I know that's not profit, it's gross revenue, but you make good profit margins too.
With 3 people, you make pretty good profit margins.
Okay. And I'm sure DJ is not going to share his finance. The whole point of this video is that I'm talking to DJ because you have Sales Excellence University. It's like an online course,
yes.
Right?
Yes.
And I was just talking to him. My wife and I are here at the GIE Expo in Louisville, Kentucky. And I was like, bro, why don't you put out a course for pressure washing and showing like the systems, the protocols, how you sell and close jobs, how you actually do the pressure washing, and how you make money. What is your setup like, and how do you make all this freaking money doing pressure washing? Would you put a course together like that?
I guess I could.
Okay, would you guys buy it, and how much would it be worth to you? Let me know in the comments below. I'm dead serious, because I would buy the thing, because I've sat on the phone with him before a few times saying like, should I get into pressure washing? Is it worth it?
I mean, this week alone by myself will do about $7,600 in revenue in 3 days.
$7,600 in revenue in 3 days.
Yes, probably $300 in fuel cost. I've got 2 office people that work Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and maybe another, let's call it $800, $1,000 in products and materials. So between the soap and the sealer.
How much do you keep?
I mean, the rest of it.
I didn't do the math.
I mean, you're probably clear $5,000, easy, 6.
You make over $5,000 in a week.
In 3 days.
Pressure washing.
Yeah, I've got 10 quotes
and
to do Friday.
You're doing house washing too?
Yeah, houses, driveways, and roofs.
Okay, so when I went to the Service Monster Symposium in Seattle, there was a guy there that was like, the profit margins are insane in house washing and pressure washing. So, would you put together a course doing it sometime?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I have a lot of the footage already put together on how to do the work. It's just building the business. And it's really just like any other service business. You just run ads, get the business, price it right. Don't do $99 house washes. Do $599 house washes.
Okay, so you're a minimum. What's your minimum per house?
$297.
$297 minimum.
Yes.
And then what's your main like modality of marketing that drives in new leads?
I mean, Facebook advertising and Google AdWords. That's anything right now though. But
yeah.
And then hitting our current customer base. I can send out we've got 2,200 current customers in our database. I send out an email and we sell 3 to 5 house washes off of it.
Your database, what are you using? Service Monster or something?
We use Service Monster, and then I use ClickFunnels to send out emails.
Oh, okay. So there you go. So $297 minimum for a house wash. How much does it cost to get started in the pressure washing business?
Around $10,000. So it's a little higher barrier of entry, but I mean it's no different than. I literally got out of lawn and landscaping and into power washing because I realized that for the same amount of money, the equipment that you buy, right? I was buying lawnmowers for $10,000, and at the end of 3 years, they were junk. My guys had destroyed them, right? And I was billing out $45 a man hour. I got into power washing. I spent $10,000 on equipment. It lasts me 10 years, and I'm billing out $100 to $150 a man hour. So it just made more sense.
Way higher profit margins.
Absolutely.
Okay. So
You're gonna talk me into doing a course, aren't you?
yeah, I want him to do a course because I'll buy the course. You give it to me for free for promoting it.
We could do that.
Okay, and then how much do you think a course like that would be worth in order to get into a business with his model where you can literally, I don't know, at least for me, what would that, almost 3x our revenue, right?
Yeah. I literally looked at my business and it was like, all right, we're doing X, because we did lawn care, landscaping, snow removal, holiday lighting, power washing, roof cleaning, window cleaning. And I looked up all of my income and I said, whoa, my highest profit margins is coming from this much business. Well, why don't we just get rid of all this other shit and take this amount of business and make it our full business? So that's what we've done, and it's been nice. Just following the margins.
So do more of what works and less of what doesn't. So that's a good lesson right there. Sit down and look at your business and find out the highest profit margin shit and do that.
So many people have businesses and they never look at their numbers.
Yeah.
There's so many people that they judge whether they're doing well or not based on how much cash they have in the bank account, not what their P&L statement says.
And they're just out there working their ass off.
It's just reactive. Then it's an employee trap.
Absolutely. So there you go. Let me know what you think about that if you are interested in him doing a course and teaching all this shit. Because I'm interested. Let me know. No, I'm for real.
I know you're for real.
I have no fucking interest in pressure washing or power washing or doing that.
I don't have any interest either, but when you can go make $3,000 in a fucking day, it's like, all right, I'll come home smelling like bleach and a little wet. I mean, there's not a lot of things that you can do to make that kind of money. And the customer was happy. The customer was happy to give me, because it's a house, they're selling their house. It was a house wash, a roof cleaning the sidewalks and driveway, and then we'll go back to seal the driveway tomorrow. And it was $4,600. And he was happy. He was happy to give me that money, which is pretty fucking cool.
I give a customer a deal, which I don't want to talk about on YouTube, but it was $3,500 and it took us 3 days to do this landscape job, right? And I made good profit margins on it. I made a 65% profit margin. I made like $2,500.
Nice.
But I worked my balls off for 3 days. So you do all this in a day or two or whatever? Or
yeah. I mean, sealing the driveway is literally just pouring out sealer and spreading it with a roller. It's not labor intensive. Washing the house, cleaning the shingles, is spraying Mr. Miyagi. Soap on, soap off.
Sounds simple to me. Okay, cool. So that's the end of this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And hit the subscribe button. And I'll put the link to his YouTube channel and below as well. All right, and I'm going outside to check this out. This is dope. This is scary as shit. From pressure washing